Hi friends, this is Sumit Bagul and I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Sex Educational Show called Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, whenever we face any medical or health related problem, what we usually do? We share that problem with our family or with our friends, right? But whenever we face any problem which is related to our sexual life, we don't share it with anyone. Rather, we try to hide it. And for this reason, Dr. Vijay Dahifale has started Unique Show. Folks, this is one of its kind platform where you all will be able to share your sex related questions and Dr. Vijay Dahifale will solve your sex related problems in very positive manner. But before starting the actual show, before starting the actual talk, let us all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale in detail. Dr. Vijay Dahifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Dahifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology. So friends, now that you all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale's various clinics, there is good news for you that Dr. Vijay Dahifale has recently started his new brand clinic in Thane. So if you are in Mumbai, if you are in Thane or if you are in MMR region, you can definitely meet Dr. Vijay Dahifale in his Thane center. So let's start the show. Doctor is here with us. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Smith.
Yes, doctor, let's start the talk and
sure.
we're talking about sexual dysfunction
Sure.
and with public demand, you have selected all unique topics.
Sure.
So sir, in today's episode, we would like to ask you about O-shot injections.
Yes, sure.
So sir, first of all, what are O-shot injections?
Yes. Sumit, in this series of sex education, sexual awareness and sexual safety, we must know each and every topic scientifically. What is O-shot? Definitely when that short word comes, then you are very much interested what exactly it will be, for whom it is to be given. Actually, these are the orgasmic shots.
Okay.
These are the injections which are given to females, in the female vaginal part, how it works, for what purpose it is given and how it is given. Definitely we'll see one by one.
Definitely, sir. But which patients need O-shot injections?
Yes. If you are asking me selection criteria.
Right.
What happens due to pregnancy, due to delivery, due to hormonal changes? In females, there occurs changes in this pelvic floor. Even urethra is also very short in females. And what happens in this combination of this genitourinary system, there occurs laxity of vagina, the G point is shifted, and after shifting, there is no any type of injections or any tablets available. Even they start getting urinary leakage also. So, these are the candidates, those who are with urinary leakage, those who are with loss of their sensation, those who are with problem in orgasm, and those who are having laxity of vagina. These are the candidates for the purpose of O-shot injections.
Definitely, sir. Regarding this particular topic, I would be asking you few more questions, but we have first caller on the show. We have Rakesh from Delhi. Rakesh, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Can O-shot increase sensation of vagina during sex?
Okay.
Excellent. Miss, I was about to talk on this. Miss, only tightening and only the grip of vagina is not sufficient. Sensation. See what happens, these neurotransmitters which are secreted, dopamine, oxytocin, phenylephrine, these all things, they are to be connected to your brain. Unless and until in that G point area, what is that G spot? From clitoris, labia minora and distal part of 1/3 of vagina. If suppose by any mean, by laxity, by diabetes or any neurological disease, if your sensor is not working, how it will give you a pleasure. So definitely by injecting this O-shot in that area, it will develop new nerves, new vessels, and definitely it conducts the sensation to your brain. And of course, your sensation are increasing the sex, and you get very nice enjoyment to yourself also and to your partner also.
Definitely, sir. Coming back to our question and answer sessions, moving ahead, sir, how to prepare this O-shot injection?
Yes. So this is very important question. When I take, now you come for the injection, they will say, sir, prescribe the injection and we'll take it from outside. No, you will not get it anywhere.
Okay.
What is PRP? Platelet rich plasma. Where they are available? They are available in our blood, but not ready. It is a running blood. So you have to take out the blood, 60 ml blood. You have to double centrifuge it. After centrifugation, you have to take out the only plasma, which is platelet rich plasma. After centrifugation and after adding some growth factors, some interferons, these factors are released. And after this release of factors, this solution has to be injected at the local site, and how it is injected, how it gives the effect, we'll see one by one.
Definitely, sir. Then what is procedure of giving
Yes.
O-shot injections?
Correct. Now sometimes they feel it might be operation, they will have to stay to the hospital. No, hardly 3-hour procedure. After consenting, after cleaning local part, you have to apply some anesthetic agent in the region of the clitoris, urethra and vagina, like a Prilox. After 1 hour, you get a good effect, then take a long needle. It is spinal needle, which is 24A26 number. With that needle, the 6 ml of PRP, you have to inject in a fanning direction. You can see in figures at clitoris, then at the labia minora. Then again you have to inject it distal part of the vagina. And if suppose we are using it for urinary control or for incontinence, you have to inject between anterior urethral wall and the anterior wall of the vagina. Like this way, you have to inject at neck of this urethra and you have to come back, and it gives its effects after minimum 2 to 3 weeks.
Definitely, sir. We have one more caller with us. We have
Sure.
Preeti from Chennai. Preeti, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Whether O-shot is useful for controlling urinary leakage and how it works.
Yeah.
Okay.
Excellent. They are asking mechanism of action.
Right.
What happens basically? We are talking about this tightening of vagina, we are talking about the increasing sensation, but as the urethra and vagina are adjacent to each other, so any type of laxity, any type of drop down, unless you buttress with any tissue, any cells, it will not give the action. So after injecting, what happens? It causes neoneurogenesis, neofibrogenesis, neovasculogenesis, new tissue is formed. That angle between urethra and the bladder is changed. That buttressing action occurred, and definitely stress urinary incontinence means leakage of urine is definitely controlled by this type of O-shot therapy.
So definitely moving on to question and
Sure.
answers. How this O-shot injections actually work?
Yes. You might be feeling our blood is also running through the vessels. This blood is again same going to this urethra, vagina and all the part. Then why it is not working? See, unless and until you get a cut on the body, how that platelets will come over there? They require reaction over there. So when we take the platelets, when you centrifuge, when you add the factors in that, these are growth factors, and when we inject at that location, then only they are acted, because that is the affected area and these are the activated platelets. So by the mechanism of formation of new tissue, new nerves, and formation of a new buttress and development of a sensitive area in a distal part, and it is connected to the brain by neurotransmitter, and this is the mechanism of action, how it works and how it gives the effects.
Definitely. Sir, one last question.
Yeah.
Every time, whatever we do,
Yes.
we ask one very
Purpose.
important question,
Yeah.
that is, what are its benefits?
Yes.
So, sir, how this O-shot is beneficial?
Yes, this is very, very important question.
Right.
Why you are doing this? Number one, you have to do tightening of vagina. You have to increase the sensation of vagina. You have to increase the pleasure of the sex. You have to increase the libido. Libido means you have to increase the feelings of the sex. And along with that, as it is surrounded by this urethra, nearby the urethra, so by injecting it in between the plane of vagina and urethra, stress urinary incontinence, which is up to grade 2. If it is grade 3, then again you have to go for the sling or any other type of operations. But like this way, overall healthy, normal and enjoyable and comfortable vaginal elements are created by this O-shot. So why not to take it? Definitely.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much for sharing all this information. And but due to time constraints, sir, we have to stop here in this particular episode. But definitely, we will meet in another episode. But friends, if you want to take Dr. Vijay Dahifale's consultation, then there are various contact details available right on your screen. And there is a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Dahifale has recently started his new brand clinic in Thane. So if you are in Mumbai, if you are in Thane, if you are in nearby places, you can definitely meet Dr. Vijay Dahifale in his Thane clinic. So friends, it's time to stop here. Thank you so much.